Hi, Aizu.
I'm beautiful.
Yes, baby, you are beautiful. Looking very pretty, Aiza. Show me.
No.
Go down.
No.
Please, I need to work. Do the same eye makeup. Hey, beautiful ladies, don't forget to follow me on Instagram.
Hi guys, how are you all? This is me, Tamzina Khan. I make videos related makeup, vlogging, lifestyle and much more. I am super excited to create this look to show you how you can achieve this pretty look. This is called strawberry makeup with the cherry lips. This is also viral and this hair is also viral, but I couldn't shoot this one, but you can surely learn this complete look. And so yeah, let's go.
So let's just prep my skin very quickly with this eyes. So ये बहुत ही अच्छा है स्किन के लिए. डेली भी अगर यूज़ करोगे तो भी इट्स वेरी बेनिफिशियल. दिस हेल्प्स फॉर योर एक्ने, स्कार्स, योर पफीनेस एंड बहुत सारी चीज़ों के लिए हेल्प आउट करता है आइज़. So you guys can ignore this one because this is my mic and I have no place to keep it. So I am quickly going to cleanse my face with this Eva micellar water, and I'm just taking a wet wipes, just a piece, or you can take, you know, like a cotton pad as well. Once you cleanse from the micellar water, then you get a really nice, you know, clean surface to work on. So next I'm using a moisturizer. This is actually Ambroilis because मैंने इसमें इसीलिए डाला because ये बहुत ज़्यादा हैंडी हो जाता है, वो बहुत बड़ा कैरी करना पड़ता है, तो मैंने इसमें डाल के रखा था. So this is my most favorite moisturizer. If I am applying this one then I don't need any primer or something. वैसे भी मैं प्राइमर नहीं लगाती हूँ. I prefer doing moisturizer only. उसी से फेस बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा हो जाता है. वैसे भी पहले के टाइम पे कौन प्राइमर, पुट्टी प्राइमर, ये प्राइमर, वो प्राइमर, लाइक कोई भी नहीं लगाता था. बस आजकल सब लगाने लग गए. एम्ब्रॉयडरीज इज़ द बेस्ट मॉइस्चराइज़र, बट अगर आपको एम्ब्रॉयडरीज नहीं लेना है देन यू कैन गो विद निविया एंड ऑल्सो सेटाफिल. तो ये दोनों भी बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. उसके अलावा कोई भी मुझे नहीं पसंद, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. ये तीन ही मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द मेकअप. फॉर दैट आई एम गोइंग टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंसील माई डार्क सर्कल्स. जितने भी डार्क स्पॉट्स है, डार्क लाइंस है, मेरे पिंपल्स है. रिसेंटली मुझे ये सारे पिंपल्स आ गए. सो ये सारी चीज़ें सबसे पहले हम हाइड करेंगे विथ कैरेक्टर कॉस्मेटिक्स. आज ज़्यादातर मैं जो भी मेकअप है पूरा कंप्लीट, आई ट्राई टू कवर द कंप्लीट मेकअप विद द कैरेक्टर कॉस्मेटिक पैलेट, which is the best palette. like अगर आपके पास वो है तब किसी और चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड अगर आपको परचेज़ करना है तो 10% ऑफ भी आपको मिल सकता है अगर आप मेरा कूपन कोड यूज़ करेंगे तो. दिस इज़ द कूपन कोड और जो लिंक है वो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको डाल दूँगी. तो दिस इज़ द कैरेक्टर कॉस्मेटिक प्रो कंसीलर पैलेट. दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. इट हैज़ ऑल द शेड्स जो भी आपको चाहिए. एवरीथिंग इज़ देयर. आप कॉन्टोर के लिए भी इसमें यूज़ कर सकते हो एंड डार्क स्किन टोन के लिए भी कंसील कर सकते हो, हाईलाइट कर सकते हो. सो बहुत सारे शेड्स इसमें दिए. डार्क सर्कल्स आई एम थिंकिंग टू यूज़ दिस ऑरेंज शेड राइट हियर एंड आई एम टेकिंग अ स्मॉल ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश काइंड ऑफ. आपको जो ब्रश आप कंफर्टेबल आप वो ब्रश आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस ऑरेंज करेक्टर for my under eye area. This is like not too much orangey, जो मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. बाकी जो नॉर्मल जो कंसीलर्स आते हैं वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऑरेंज कलर का रहता है. सो आई रियली डोंट लाइक दैट. सो या लाइक जो आपके ब्रश में बच जाता है वो आपके आईज के ऊपर चाहिए तो आप लगा सकते हो इफ़ यू हैव डार्क सर्कल्स लाइक मी. बट आप एक्स्ट्रा प्रोडक्ट लेके आप अपने आईज के ऊपर नहीं लगाना प्लीज़. already see there is a huge difference between both of the eyes. so ये बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से कंसील किया है. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मेरे स्किन टोन से 2-3 शेड डार्कर यहाँ पे कंसीलर है, करेक्टर है, तो वो मैं यूज़ करूँगी अपने पिंपल्स वाले एरिया पर. कवर योर माउथ एरिया बिकॉज बहुत लोग ऐसे हैं जिनको सबसे ज़्यादा स्वेटिंग होती है, उनका जो माउथ एरिया है वो बहुत जल्दी डार्क हो जाता है या ग्रे हो जाता है. सो ऑलवेज कंसील योर माउथ एरिया एज वेल. करेक्टर एंड कंसीलिंग एवरीथिंग इज़ डन. सो अब मैं करने वाली हूँ क्वाइट नो फाउंडेशन काइंड ऑफ अ लुक. सो मैं यहाँ पे बेसिकली फाउंडेशन नहीं लगाऊंगी. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू डू द कंसीलर एंड द कॉन्टोर पार्ट बिकॉज मैंने ऑलरेडी पूरे फेस पे करेक्टिंग कर चुकी हूँ. सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस इज़ माई पर्सनल ब्रांड्स कंसीलर जो कि मैंने अब तक लॉन्च नहीं किया है. सो सबको पता चल चुका होगा अब तक का बिकॉज मैं इतने बार वीडियो में बोल चुकी हूँ ये चीज़ कि ये मेरा कंसीलर है और ये मैंने लॉन्च नहीं किया है. सो ये मैं आज यूज़ करने वाली हूँ. सो करेक्टिंग के बाद दिस इज़ व्हाट द टिप लुक्स लाइक. यू वांट टू से हाय?
No.
No? Okay.
I want pretty.
So this is how I am going to do. You can just see.
Hi, teacher. Hi.
Hi baby.
Hi, mommy.
Hi Aizu.
What are you doing, mommy?
I'm doing makeup, Aiza.
Makeup and makeup.
You want to do makeup?
Yes.
Okay. I'll give you later, okay?
I want makeup.
Okay, I'll give you later.
I want makeup. Hey, mommy, look. Mommy, look.
Yes, baby.
Look, mommy.
Papa, don't disturb me, Raja.
What?
Don't disturb me, baby.
No.
So I am blending it with this Real Technique small brush. It is like a full coverage concealer and it is super matte finish, so it dries out like very quickly. So I need to blend it like very fast. Are you singing song, Aiza?
Yes.
You know how to sing?
I want this song.
You like songs?
I want this.
What do you want? You want everything, Aiza.
This turkey.
No, please don't touch that, Aiza.
What?
It will fall down.
No.
So I am using this kabuki brush from Sugar Cosmetics.
Show you hi.
I am blending out everything evenly.
Mommy, show you hi.
What, baby?
Mommy.
Nothing?
Music. No. Makeup married.
The highlight part is done. Now I'm going to do the contour. For that I'm going to use the same palette and I'm going to use a quite dark shade. I'm not going to go with this one because this is like very much dark. So I need a very light contour because contour doesn't suits me all the time. So yeah. So I really don't like that sharp contour. I like very natural kind of, you know what I mean. So I'm just going to apply over here.
Mommy,
Yes, Aizu.
what did you watching?
What happened, baby?
I'm beautiful.
Yes, baby, you are beautiful. I
Which
know.
color is this?
Which one? That is black color.
That is black color.
Yeah, that
Mommy,
is.
which color is this?
This is brown color, Aiza.
No. This is white. Mommy, this is color.
Yeah, that color is white.
That color is white.
Yeah.
This that is brown. Yes.
Yeah, that is brown. You like makeup, right?
Yes. This
She loves makeup. She's just like me. You are like mama, right?
what?
You are like mama, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Nani, nani, I
You're my best friend, Isa.
Yes.
Yes, she's
Mommy,
my best.
look.
What? Show me. You're looking so pretty. Come, let's. I'll show you. Come.
What?
Come here. Show me in the camera. Oh, look at her. You're looking so pretty. What is this? You applied powder?
No.
No? Then what is this? You're looking very pretty, Isa. Show me. Oh, you're looking so cute. Mashallah, mashallah. Say mashallah.
Masala.
Mashallah. Go.
No.
Go down.
No.
Please, I need to work.
No.
Thank you.
I want it.
Thank you, Isa.
Not with your hands.
So I'm taking this big fluffy brush to contour everything properly. And I really don't want, the harsh lines, as I said. So blending is the key. Blend, blend, blend. Blend everything nicely. Isa, don't shake, Papa.
What?
Don't shake.
What? Don't it?
So I am blending everything nicely. So I only had this red tint because I wanted a red tint for that strawberry makeup look, and I have all the pink shade. So ये पता नहीं कहाँ से मैंने ढूंढ कर निकाला. We will try with this one. So I'm taking this brush to blend. So quickly I'm going to apply because ये बहुत जल्दी dry हो जाता है. So I need to blend it like very quickly. So I really don't know what brand this is because I only use the pink, tints. I don't like this red one. Yes, so I guess I'm done. So she applied just a one eyeshadow for her eyes, like just it was glittery. So I'm going to do the same eye makeup. Few people are doing like a lot of graphic liners and this and that. So I want to keep it very minimal. So I'm going to apply the same eyeshadow. Like using this, sorry, it's just over. So I'm using this NC25 compact from MAC Cosmetics. So I'm just using only for the under eye because it creases like a lot. So this is the cheek palette. So we're gonna do some highlight maybe and some more blush. I love blush. So I'm going to use, which one? This one? Maybe I'll go with this one because this is one of my favorite shade. So yeah, see, this looks like really pretty. Blush are like not enough. जितना भी लगा उतना कम है मेरे लिए तो blush. So yeah, I'm going to use this highlighter little bit on my cheekbone just to get that highlight. Another face palette, Pro Contour Powder Palette. So this is how it looks. So I'll go with the maybe this shade, the lighter one. So I'll go like very slightly because I don't want to make it like. Now it's time for the freckles, which is really very hard. So I don't have guts to do with the eyeliner. So, and I really don't have the black, the brown eyeliner. I have the black one. So I don't want to spoil my makeup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the freckles with this palette. So I'm going to take the darkest shade and I'm going to take this lip lining brush and I'm just going to dip it. I'm just going to create it very calmly. Never made any kind of freckles, so I have no idea how to do that. I'm going to use this brow palette from Character Cosmetic. It has like a lot of shade and this side it's a mirror. सो इसमें बहुत ही सारे शेड्स हैं जो भी चाहिए आपके स्किन टोन के हिसाब से. सो विच इज़ रियली ग्रेट, बोथ ऑफ दीज शेड्स. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई. So I make borders first and then I fill inside. I hope you can see. So yeah, as you can see the difference.
Alright, so the main base is done. Let's go for the eye makeup, which is the most awaited one. So for that, I'm going to use this diamond palette from Girl Cosmetics. So they have this amazing, shimmer eyeshadow. Okay. So I am going to use this one, the white one, which looks like this, similar to the Hailey Bieber eyes. To directly apply it all over my eyelid, so just like that. So there was just like a sparkle on her eyes, so I really love that. I would like to add just a very little bit of pink one. I'm going to mix both together to get that little bit of the pink effect. Yeah, I love it. Yes, really pretty, sparkly eyes. So I'm just going to do a smoky liner type. Take this brow palette to create that smoky eyeliner effect. So for that, I'm going to take a brown shade. Maybe like I'll go with this one. This is like walnut. So first I'm going to go with like a dark brown shade. Now I'm just going to create a liner. This is like super pigmented. See how beautiful it is created. So I'm going to make a little bit of wing, like a very small wing. Also I'm going to, the best part is finally here, the lips part, जो कि cherry type का कुछ करते हैं वो लोग. So I am so excited to try this. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but let's just try. So this is a lip palette again from the Character Cosmetics. So they have all of these shades. So I'm going to use this one to outline my lips. I'll mix this one also, बिकॉज वो ऐसा ही कुछ कलर मिक्सिंग करके लगाते हैं. तो सबसे पहले इससे मैं करूँगी आउटलाइन. So I did this outline. Now I'm going to do, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the red tint on my lips. So let's see how it's going to work. I'm going to use this same tint to my lips and I'm going to blend like very quickly. Because I wanted cherry lips. I'm going to apply the lip gloss on it, and it's gonna give that yummy cherry look. Sorry for making some odd faces. Can you just see that? This is what exactly I wanted. So quickly I'll do my hair and then I'll be back. So finally here is my final look. I hope you guys love it, and thank you so much for watching.
I hope you guys learned something from this video. Do comment below whatever the look you want to see next.